Hope, a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. Are you struggling keeping hope in your life? Sometimes in life, when we have an event that drastically changes everything around us, it may cause some to lose hope. Langston Hughes once said, "Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly." When it seems as though life is stacked against you, you have to hold on to your hopes and dreams. There is no pandemic that's going to stand in your way of reaching your hopes and your dreams. For when life seems like it's not going to plan, you fight back and you persevere. You build up the endurance to fight through and overcome any situation that life throws your way. Because hope, the mindset that you control your destiny. When you bought your house, did you have hopes and dreams for what you could do with it? Have you let circumstances or other things in your life take those hopes and dreams from you? I just want to encourage you today to take back those hopes and dreams you have and start planning for your next DIY project. Because you can do it. Good luck on your project.